Hello guys, my name is Euclides Manuel and I'm the founder of Yetubit. In this video, I'll teach you on how to create a MetaMask wallet. To participate on the ICO, you will need a MetaMask wallet. You cannot use during the ICO an exchange wallet. You must use a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. So in this video, I will teach you on how to create a MetaMask wallet, and we'll do this following our tutorial that we have on the Yetuswap blog. So we have a Yetuswap blog. Let me search it. Swap Medium is here. We already have a lot of tutorials teaching you on how to create a MetaMask wallet, and then how to connect MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. But the community asked us to make a new tutorial on how to create a MetaMask wallet, how to connect with MetaMask, and how to buy MetaMask, how to buy Yetucoin during the ICO in the English version. So we follow this article. We will leave this article in the description below for you to read also. And we'll download, we'll install MetaMask on Mozilla Firefox. So the first step that we will need to do is to download MetaMask extension. So you can do this the second step to Mozilla Firefox or to Chrome, to Google Chrome. Is the same step. There is no difference. And the first step is to go to the download. So the first step is go to the MetaMask download page. Is metamask.io. This is where we will download the extension, and you can click download now. Download now. Firefox, that is the browser that I'm using right now, and you click and install MetaMask for Firefox. If you are using Google Chrome, you click in Google Chrome. If you are using Brave, it's the same thing, and Microsoft Edge, the same thing also. You click on the browser that you are using on. In our case, we will install to Firefox, but it's the same step. There is no difference. The step is the same. So you click or you click and install MetaMask, and then add to Firefox. And in a minute, this is really fast. In a minute, it will install MetaMask or Mozilla Firefox. Just a second. Oh my God. It's starting right now. Just a second. So you click and add. It will add the extension to the browser, and then got it. We already have a MetaMask wallet installed. So the first step is to create the wallet, actually create the wallet, and then you click and get started. If you already have a wallet, you click here and import wallet, and you will put the 12 words, your seed phrases. That is your private key, the private keys of your wallet. In our case, we will create a new wallet right now, and it's very simple. It's very simple. When you click and create a new wallet, here, MetaMask will ask you if you are willing to share some data with them to help them to improve the wallet. So I will click in agree, and then you create a new password. It must have 8 characters. You can use a password that you are already using through the internet, or create a new one. And then in this stage is really important. In this stage, the MetaMask will reveal us the seed words. Please, you need to save these seed words in some book or in the notebook. We recommend you to save it in the offline environment. So try to save this on the offline environment because and please don't share these words with anyone. Neither with the MetaMask team. Please don't share these words with anyone. And then you can save it on the offline environment like this one. I'm writing right now the seed words because we will need to verify if the seed words that we are saving right now is the same that the MetaMask is putting. So I'm saving right now. Of course, we will hide these seed words when we will launch the video. So you'll hide these seed words because it's personal. It's personal. Please try to save your MetaMask seed words in the offline environment. Offline environment, please. Done. So once you save the seed words on the offline environment, you click in next, and then the MetaMask will ask you to verify if the wallet that you saved is, if everything is okay with the wallet, if the 12 words that you saved. So I'm putting right now to verify. Just a second. It's really important to verify this to see if everything is all right. So then once you put all the words, you click in confirm. And of course, congratulations, our wallet is created already. It's done. It's done. All done. We are already logged on MetaMask. You already have a MetaMask wallet. The next step is to connect MetaMask with Binance Smart Chain. And we will do this in the next video. Next video will teach you how to connect MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain. It's very simple. It's very simple. And you must connect MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain because MetaMask is an Ethereum standard wallet. So it's an Ethereum standard wallet, and Yetucoin is a Binance Smart Chain standard coin. So also standard currency. To use Yetucoin, you need firstly to connect MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain because we created the token on the Binance Smart Chain. And then you will be able to participate on the ICO. If you are using Trust Wallet, there is no need to connect Trust Wallet to the Binance Smart Chain because such wallet is a Binance portfolio project, and they connect MetaMask to the Binance Smart Chain automatically. It is by default. By default, Trust Wallet is connected with the Binance Smart Chain. But if you are using MetaMask, you must to connect MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain, and we will teach you on the next video. See you there.